Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off automatic dark mode options in Samsung Galaxy A55. So, to turn off our automatic dark mode, we need to go to settings first, then in display, at the top we have dark mode settings. As you can see, now we have our custom schedule set up. So our dark mode will be enabled at these times. We can of course change this option to sunset to sunrise, but we need to have our location turned on. And if you want to turn this option off completely, we simply uncheck this box and that's it. So I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.